Exercise 12. Create a program that has the price of milk, the price of a loaf of bread. The above will be set in the program. For example, price of milk equals 5. The program will ask the user how many packets of milk he wants, how many loaves of bread he wants, how much money he has. Then the program will calculate the total cost of the items bought, print a sentence saying whether the money is enough or not. Okay, let's start with that. Let's go step by step. So first we have the price of milk and the price of bread, and we've been told that these will be set in the program. So like price of milk is 5. Okay, 5 is like $5 or whichever currency you're using. Okay, so we have set the price of milk and the price of a loaf of bread. Then the program will ask the user how many packets of milk he wants and how many loaves of bread and how much money. So as usual, we create variables and we use int. Actually, we can use, for the money, we can use float, since money can be in decimals. So we use int or float, we use input, and we use the prompt in our input statements. Okay? Then so the program will calculate the total cost of the items bought and print a sentence saying whether the money is enough or not. So first, the total cost. How do we calculate the total cost? First, the total cost of milk will be packet of milk multiplied by the price of milk. So similarly, the price of bread, total cost of bread, will be the loaves of bread times the price of a loaf. So of course the grand total for the total shopping, whichever meaningful variable name you want to use, is the cost of the milk, total cost of milk, plus total cost of bread. Okay, then print a sentence saying whether the money is enough or not. So to know if the money is enough, we compare the grand total and the money available. So we say if money available is more than or equal to the grand total, we can print, or let's continue what we have been doing, message equals money is enough. Your money is enough. Else the money is not enough. Okay, we can try this out already. So if we run that, how many packets would you like? 3. How many loaves of bread? 2. How much money do you have? 50. Oh, sorry, I keep forgetting. I need to print the message. Let's try that again. How many packets of milk? 3. How much bread? How many loaves of bread? 2. How much money? 50. The money is enough. Okay. Now, optional, let's do this also. Calculate how much money to give back, and a message saying your change is that. So how much money to give back is the difference what do you call it, balance or change or remainder. Balance, so if this money is more than or enough, we put that there. Balance is that minus that. The other way round. So in either way we need to add to the message and say message equals, or let's use this other method, message, then we put /n to create a new line. Your change is, and then we add the balance, must convert it to a string first. Okay. Similarly, we change this here, we add this here, and say you need if the money is dollars, actually the question has yes, okay, need something more dollars more, so doesn't really matter. Alright, that should do it. Let's try that. How many packets of milk? I need 7 packets of milk. How many loaves? 3 loaves. How much money do you have? I have 60. Okay, since my change is 1, let's just check that. 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35, and 3 times 8, yeah, it's correct. 3 times 8 is 24. 35 plus 24 is 59, so it's $1 less. But let's just try that again. How many packets of milk would you like? 5. How many loaves of bread? 3. How much money do I have? I have only 12. I need $37 more. Okay. This space here is appearing because of this, so I can get rid of that. Alright, so that's it for exercise 12. See you in the next one.